let's go ahead and create our first query in the GraphQL. So for that, let's create a folder. In my case, I have created this folder, full course GraphQL. And after that, let's go to the command line. So let's go to the command line, let's go to the terminal. And the first thing that what we are going to do is we need to run a command npm init-y. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a package.json file where we are defining our dependencies, configuration, how to run our application, and so on. So that's the first command. It will create for us package.json, and after creating a package.json, what we need to do is we need to run a second command. So what we are doing here, we are installing two dependencies, right? First dependency is Apollo server, and the second one is the GraphQL. What's the Apollo server? Apollo server is an application on top of the Node.js that we're using to build the GraphQL. So that's it. After running this command, I have already run them, and let's go and see that what we have in our directory. So let's go to our directory. What I have here is a package.json. So in the package.json, we have the name, version, description, and the other configurations. But the most important for us, we have these two dependencies, right? We have the Apollo server and we have a GraphQL. So that's it. That's all we need to run our application. Now let's go and define our first query. So in our first query, so what we do is we are in the first step, right? So what we do in our first step. So in our first step, we are defining a schema for the GraphQL. So we have only one query, which is hello, and which returns us a string. So, and then we are defining a resolver. Resolver is a part where we are actually defining what is the logic for this particular query. So in this case, we are just returning a string, hello GraphQL world. And that's it. The next one is that we are creating Apollo server, and we are starting our server. That's it. Let's go and start our server. For that, let's go and run node index.js, right? It's our index.js file. So after running that, our application now is running, GraphQL is running on the port 4000, and let's go to that port. Let's go to that port and see what we got there. So we have a query server, and in this server we can run our queries. So for example, in this case, our query is hello, right? We have only one query, and if we will run it, it's without any parameter, it's return us what we expect it to return, right? Hello GraphQL world. Another way how we can do that, we can also use Postman. In the Postman, again, we are defining here whatever our IP and the port is, and then we are running our query. Again, here we are running a query hello, and if we will run this again, it returns us what we expect, hello GraphQL world.